Here's how to never run out of content ideas for the rest of your life, ever. I'm talking like forever and ever. You will never have a day where there is no content or no idea for content. And if you think you've run out of content ideas, it's not because there are no content ideas left. It's because you're looking at content the completely wrong way. Most creators treat content like a well that eventually dries up. But the best creators, they build a pipeline, an automated system that turns everyday moments into infinite ideas. Today, I'm going to show you how to stop searching for ideas and start attracting them. Here's the brutal truth. If you're struggling to come up with content, it's not a creativity problem. It's an input problem. Most creators are trying to squeeze ideas out without putting anything in. They don't read, don't study their industry, don't document their own journey. Instead, they just sit there waiting for inspiration like some magical force from the cloud is going to come down and strike them in the forehead. But really successful creators don't wait for ideas. They collect, process, and recycle them. Let me introduce you to the Content Flywheel, a system that will guarantee that you'll never run out of ideas, ever. Number one on this is the input rule. More ideas that have been placed into your brain means more ideas out. Your brain is kind of like an algorithm. If you don't feed it good inputs, you won't get good output. Follow industry leaders. Don't just consume their content, figure out why their content works so well. Read books and listen to ideas outside of your industry. Sometimes the connection or the best ideas come from the most unexpected source, and steal like an artist. Not by copying, but by remixing. Find something that resonated with you and then add your unique perspective to it. And number two, the idea bank. Capture everything, because everything is content. Most people get great ideas, but they don't execute on them and they don't keep them. Every time you think of something, even if it's half-baked, write it down, record it. Use a simple 3-folder system. 4 ideas, developing, and ready to post. 3 simple folders. The key here is to create a library of thoughts that you can pull on at any single time. And number 3, the content lens. Capture everything. Turn your life into content. Great creators don't just create, they document every single element to their life. Think, what conversations am I having on a daily basis? What mistakes am I making that I can talk about on the other end? And what am I learning? What growth am I going through right now? The more you train yourself to see everything as content, the easier it becomes. And number 4, the remix rule. Turn one idea into like 5 pieces of content. Most people post one idea and move on, but the top creators, they squeeze every single drop out of a single concept. A YouTube video can become 3 short form clips. A post on Threads can become a carousel or a video or a reel. A podcast topic becomes an email newsletter. The opportunities are endless on this. Instead of reinventing the wheel, remix and redistribute. Here's what I want you to do. For the next 7 days, capture one content idea every single day. It could be a mistake you made, a thought you had in the shower, or a question that someone asked you. And I promise you, if you do this, you'll never struggle for content ideas again. And if you want more systems like this, hit a subscribe.